Good morning, students. So now HS2ndyr commerce CMST class. I'm going to start, and yes, we have finished so many chapters. Now today we will start that one remaining part of the statistics, that is some part of this arithmetic mean we have not done, that we are going to do. So exercise 4a we have started, and yes, this time that is I am going to write it for statistics, and it is arithmetic mean we are going to do. Arithmetic mean means generally what we are calling that average. That is average we are going to do, and that's formula also we know. Average is what if so many values are there, then average x bar is x1 plus x2 plus dot plus xn, whole thing divided by n. Another formula is with frequency, if it is then summation fi xi by summation fi. Then in class 10 we have done one formula that is called assumed mean method of calculating the average, and it is a plus summation fi assumed, so fi di by summation fi di is what? Xi minus a. Then another method of calculating this one is a plus h summation fi ui by summation fi. H is here class interval and ui is xi minus a by h. So this formula we know. We have done up to question number 17. Now exercise 4a. We are going to do question number 18. The mean annual salary is paid to all employees of a company was rupees 500. Means what? Yeah, arithmetic mean they have given, and it is 500. The mean annual salaries paid to male and female employees were rupees 520 and rupees 420 respectively. So there are male and female both persons are there. So male means and female means they have given. Determine the percentage of males and females employed by the company. That is that thing you have to do. So what they have given? Given total mean is suppose it is x bar, that is given what? 500. Then yes, total mean salaries and total male salaries of males. Suppose it is x1 bar, it is also they have given 520, and total mean salaries of females, it is they have given, suppose it is x2 bar is 420. We don't know the total numbers as well as the number of males and females. So students, that is what is not within our hand that we are going to take. Suppose number of males is equal to m and number of females, suppose it is n. We know x bar is equal to m into x1 bar n into x2 bar divided by n plus n. That we know. That is our formula of this one. That if we know the parts average x1 and x2, definitely total average, that is x bar, that we can calculate, and it is the procedure. X bar they have given it is 500. M x1 bar, that is m into 520. N x2 bar, that is n into 420, divided by m plus n, implies 500m plus 500n, 520m plus 420n. Simplification, simple simplification we have done. Now 500n minus 420n, 520m minus 500m. Here we get 80n and here 20m. So we get 80 by 20 is equal to m divided by n. So we get what? m is to n, that is 4 is to 1. So then number of males divided by number of females we have calculated in this procedure. And yes, that is the procedure we can do by as our simple one. But question is what? That percentage of females and percentage of males we have to calculate. And we have taken the number of males. Therefore, percentage of males is equal to 4 by 4 plus 1 into 100%. It is formula, it is rule. You think that if I divide any, suppose I have two parts to tell suppose 1 lakh, 1 to tell money, or any other things. If I want to divide this total thing into two parts, and if I want to find the percentage of that thing, then how to do? This is the technique. Take the one whose percentage you have to calculate divided by sum of this one into 100%. So we get 4 by 5 into 100%. So it is 20. So 80% is the percentage of male, and percentage of female is equal to, here one, if we think the corresponding thing, then in case of 1, n it is 1 by 4 plus 1 into 100%. So we get 1 by 5 into 100%, that is, we get 20% is our females. So what we got that this is percentage of males is 80% and percentage of females which is our 20%. So that sum of them is what? 100%. Now we are going to do question number 19. So question number 19, I am going to read. It is what? Mean of 25 observation was found to be 78.4, but later on it was found that 96 was misread as 69. Find the correct mean. So 25 things are there. 25 things, and their mean is. After calculation, they found it was what? 78.4. Later, it was found that 96 was misread as 69. Actually, it was 96, but here they have written, but wrongly it is 69. So, if it is accurate one, that is, if we consider the 96 one, then what will be the correct mean? So here, how to do this one? You see that 25 observation. That is, when we consider that correct mean was consider the incorrect mean, then you see that 78.4 will be x1, x2, like that, dot to dot, up to hours what? 25. And you have to divide both things by 25. But here we have taken one wrong number, 69. That was wrong. So you see that as we have done wrong to some of the all the observations, that is wrong. So how to rectify this one? See students, this we can do x1, x2, dot dot dot. Instead of 69, if we write 96. Then what we have to do? 69 you take outside and deduct this 96. Shall I do this one? Because 61 actually here only is the real in this one, that real value of this one is that. So I have written in place of 69 it is 96. So we have to deduct this 96 and 69 I have written here. So it is 78.4 has this value. Now if we multiply this, they have said to find the correct mean. So no need to multiply. So you write directly like that. This is what our correct mean. Suppose it is x bar. Then this one, if we deduct, it will be minus 7 and 27 by 25. So you take this one, so correct mean x bar is equal to 78.4 plus 27 by 25. 25. 4, 25 is 100. So 10. 210, so it is 21. And it is 175, so it is 196 plus 27. So 19627 divided by 25. So after division, we will get 79.48 is the answer of this correct mean. So this way we can do the correct result. Now question number 20. The mean of 5 number is 27. If number is excluded, if one number is excluded, then their mean is 25. Find the excluded number. So let x bar, so better to write mean x bar is equal to x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, whole thing divided by 5. They have given this number is what? 27. And they say that x1, x2, suppose x4 plus x3. So suppose x3 is excluded number. So I have excluded. x3 I have excluded. Then 27. This is our mean. That is after exclusion. This divided by this. So they have said this is 25. x3 by 5. So what we get? If we take in this side, it is 2 is equal to x3 by 5. And ultimately we get x3 as 10. So 10 is our. So shall I this one? And the mean is 25. So mean of 5 numbers. So I have to write that as I have written 5. So this is the 25. This will be what? Here x1, x2, x3. This will be 4 into our mean, that is 25 by 5. So 5 5 just 5, so 20. It will be 7. So after that it will be 35 is the equal number. So students, now last, 21. Question number 21. We are going to do. A candidate obtains the following percentage in an examination: English 60, Assamese 75, Mathematics 63, Physics 59, Chemistry 59. Find the candidates weighted arithmetic mean if weight is this respectively are the alloys to the subject. Allotted to the subject. So, if weight is less, then required mean, weighted mean formula is what? That is every term should multiply with their weight. 60 into 1, 75 into 2, 63 into 1, plus 59 into 3, plus 55 into 3. Whole thing divided by the total weight, that is 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 3. So that is the rules or formula for this one. How to do this is the thing. Every term, if it is multiplied by their weightage, that is here this term has weight 1, this term has weight 2, this term has weight. This way, if you do, then only you can get, and yes, then values will becomes what? 60, 150, 63, 177, and divided by 10. If I get 5, 1, 3, so after division you will get the 61.5 is the actual weight mean. So definitely write result to be 1 mark, that is question number 23 of this one. So students, that you think that how to do this mean has some different technique to find, and this is the ways what we have done. And of course, that you have to remember that formula you have to know nicely, then only we can do. And different formula also I have written. Another thing, it is mandatory to submit the homework. If you submit homework, then only I can give the attendance.